Hello there. Welcome back. Here right now we're getting some very strong wind gusts. We have wind gusts up to like 55, 60 miles per hour. But it got pretty bad. I'm gonna go out for the damage soon enough. But yeah, this is the current situation. Well then, I'll be right back. The mouse, stop freaking. Oh jeez. We're definitely getting wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour. There's no doubt about it. Jeez. And this has been sustaining. There's some pretty long gusts. Probably sustaining around 40 miles per hour, gusting to 60. Jeez. This is real time. This is not time lapsed. Bro. This is severe warned. Just wow. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. this might be it for the winds, or at least I hope. This has been going on for a long time. So yeah. Seems like the worst of it's gonna be either going through soon or it's already gone through, so it's gonna be a very long video. We already have since yesterday's activity. And now we have today's. Right now, today is August 11th, 2021. Time is 11:20 a.m. We have another round of severe thunderstorms are possible later tonight. Probably around 11 o'clock midnight, if her is correct. Anyways. Yeah, it seems that yep, it seems. A lot of lightning though coming from the south and west. However, though, it's really very long. Not much longer really to this segment of this video. Again, this is really it. Just have this cell just south bringing here damaging winds. Near damaging, I mean, probably. But after that, it's gonna be the wait for tonight. Temperature right now is around above 70, around 71, 72. Much cooler, so yep. Might also get some more rain. Yeah, the winds have definitely calmed down big time, but looking out, I was looking out the other direction towards the east right now, to the east, and tree damage wasn't too bad. It sounded very bad, but garbage cans fell over, couple branches. Overall, I mean, we got a lot of leaves out, but yeah, we're just waiting for really. We'll see if it rains. If it doesn't rain, I'm gonna go check in a minute. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, it does. But I don't know. It seems like it's gonna be raining momentarily. Let's definitely see. It's a pretty dark. developing cell to the northwest. You just got some. We're still getting spider lightning. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to capture any though. It's not that frequent, by the looks of it. And now it's starting to rain. And after this cell, it should be it for the rain until tonight. And it for the video. This segment really. Actually, no. This video shot on a different iPad compared to the last, compared to the other videos. So this is gonna be completely separate. So yeah. Interesting rain though. This is gonna be over momentarily, and won't really see much more of a point in continuing this video. So unless something craziness happens, we get some like crazy cloud to ground flash right front of us in 3 and 10 seconds. I'm just gonna end it right there. So still got some pretty strong winds today. I'm gonna go check out what happened after this passes, and if so, I'm gonna estimate the winds. I'm probably gonna be guessing, based off the recording, probably around 60 miles per hour, maybe at most. There's definitely a 60 miles per hour wind gust. But yeah, apart from that, that's really it. And yeah, goodbye.